Push rod fury. Time to put the brakes on. Now, before I do that, it's like what did you know, again, I'm not a professional builder, but I build stuff. But it didn't look like that last time. So I had to correct a mistake and it slowed me down. But anyway, let me get that cleaned up. Okay, these have been totally rebuilt with EBC semi-centered pads. You know, new pins, new backing plates, and that's just gonna go on because I changed my gloves too. So a couple of not tricks, but things you have to be aware of. You gotta put the nut in first on the back. So we'll do that. But before I go much further, I'm gonna lube these pins, these guys. And I really don't know how best to do this without making a mess. But I just don't want to get my fingers all greasy when I touch the calipers. So anyway, I gotta get grease all over these things. I haven't figured out the prettiest way to do this. So I'm doing it. Just get it snug. I guess that's how it goes. All right. What a torture fest. So now I'm going to do the other side, so I won't film that. I'll be back. Let's see. There's the caliper on that side. And messy shot. And that side. All right. Nothing's torqued. You gotta be light on the torque, I think, for those. I'll check the spec. But the next thing is, you really want to get tonight, the goal was not to have to take the upper triple clamp off. I want to get these brake lines on and bleed them. So let me cut this open. All right, Russell stainless steel lines. 3 pieces. Those look about the same. Are they all the same? I guess they are. Different universe. I cleaned all of these passages out, all of the parts out, so that I wouldn't have any contamination. From the stupid, what appeared to be mixed brake fluid, like .3 and .5 maybe mixed together. Okay, late at night, well, not late, come on, it's like 7 o'clock, 7:30. Anyway, check it out. We got the bleeders on, stainless lines on, and you kind of have to connect it like this. You have to go from the master cylinder to this back position. I didn't write that down, but it won't fit in the front one. So, you know, you would think you'd want this to come in the front and then the splitter in the back, but it won't reach. And I measured the lines are all the same size. So, I don't know. Hopefully it works. So now we have to put fluid in here and pump it through. And we'll get started on that. Let's see what happens. Of course, .5 only. Can't mix types of brake fluid. Jeez. Let's see what happens when you pump this thing. I hope it works. I mean, it was in rough shape. So it's building pressure. So we very well may have success here. These are speed bleeders. I think I'm doing this wrong. I think it could be faster. I think you just crack it open and you pump the brakes. But it doesn't feel right to me. So when I do that, so I'm probably just wasting time. And there's something hugely wrong going on now. Now I got a massive leak. Jeez. The world's expert on this stuff. Jeez. These Russell's speed bleeders. Ooh, that feels. Oh shoot! I need a paper towel. What you should do is this. I thought I was too cool for school. All right. Now these front brakes are like rock solid. You could hear the air squirting out. But yeah, that's some front brakes right there. And let's just feel how firm they are. Oh yeah. Oops. There we go again. Yeah, rock solid. We're done. All right, top it off, put the cap on, and we're done. About 30 minutes late. I think you met my unexpected visitor. I think that'll do it. And that gasket from Lowbrow Customs, it's labeled this side up. That goes there. And there are basically no rules in Jersey City anymore. You can do whatever you want. So you want to ride around on a dirt bike on the street, no insurance, no nothing, that's fine. Whatever you need to do. But man, I grew up got my license in a different era. I mean, I got a ticket for lifting my face shield on my helmet once. And when I went to court to tell the judge my face shield was foggy, I couldn't see out. I just wanted to see, so I didn't crash. And the judge said, he said, face shields don't fog up. And I said, well, I brought a helmet to show you. He goes, oh, you didn't submit it as evidence. We're not going to allow you to. And I got penalized even further. And now you can just ride around and do whatever you want. Not even need a license. That's pretty cool. Well, let's just do a quick overview here before the battery dies. Let me get this. And my shop is garbage. I should be ashamed of myself for working in these conditions. But that's my problem. Okay. These speed bleeders don't really fit the early Sportster. Built plenty of enough clearance. Just barely. I guess that's all you need. Looks like I got some brake fluid. Okay, here we go. Overview. We have new wheel bearings. No, not the new. I took the wheel bearings out, inspected them. They looked perfect. Packed them with grease. Cleaned them, packed them with grease, put those back on. Rebuilt the forks completely. New fork seals, new guides for the damping rod. That's all done. New steering stem cups, races, and bearings. That's done. That guy. Rebuilt the calipers. Rebuilt the master cylinder and all stainless steel brake lines. So this thing sounds wonderful when you start it. Gorgeous, right?
and now be able to stop and be able to go over bumps.
That's it. That's all I got. So funny. You get one bad comment and gets under your crawl, but yeah, this is it. This is for real. This is, you know, crappy garage bike that was neglected forever, sitting for 20 years. Got it running. Got all new brakes, high performance brakes, and rebuilt front end. Everything new. So this bike will handle. It runs so far. Doesn't make any weird noises. I don't know if it goes. I hope it goes. Hope the clutch isn't spent or anything dumb like that. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for tuning in. More progress to come. Subscribe, like, share it, tell your friends about it. Leave sensible comments, you know. Thanks again. All right, we'll see you.